Now, let's make the mouse's muzzle. This is the muzzle part. The muzzle starts with a magic ring and uses spiral crocheting. Let's get started. Take out the yarn in the matching color. First, make a magic ring. Hold the yarn tail with your right hand and open your left palm facing up. Pass the yarn between your pinky and ring finger. Then pass through your palm between your middle and index fingers. Hang the yarn over the base of your index finger. Wrap the yarn around your middle finger once. Pinch the yarn where it crosses with your thumb and middle finger. Take out the crochet hook. Insert the hook through the loop on your middle finger. The crochet hook is positioned in front of the working yarn. Rotate the crochet hook so the bent tip faces the working yarn. Pull the crochet hook horizontally to the right. Pull the yarn through the loop on your middle finger. Rotate the crochet hook so the bent tip faces you. A magic ring is now formed on your middle finger. Crochet a chain stitch to secure the magic ring. Yarn over the hook and pull the yarn through the loop on the hook. One chain stitch is completed. From the side view, it looks like a V-shape. Here, the chain stitch acts as a standing stitch to raise the height and is not counted in the stitch count. Remove the magic ring from your middle finger. Now the magic ring is made, and the chain stitch is completed. Now, start the first round. Crochet 6 single crochet stitches into the magic ring. Insert the crochet hook through both strands of the magic ring. There are 3 loops on the crochet hook. Yarn over the crochet hook and pull the yarn through both strands of the magic ring. There are 2 loops on the crochet hook. Yarn over the crochet hook and pull the yarn through the 2 loops on the hook. The first single crochet is completed. From the side view, it looks like a V-shape. Use the stitch marker to mark the first stitch. The first stitch of each round should be marked with a stitch marker. The second single crochet. The third one. The fourth one. The fifth one. The sixth one. All 6 single crochet stitches are completed. From the side, you can see 6 V-shapes. Pull the yarn tail to tighten the magic ring. Make sure there is no gap in the center. The first round is done. In the second round, crochet 1 single crochet and 1 increase stitch as a sequence. Repeat this sequence 3 times. Crocheting 3 sequences will make a total of 9 stitches. For the first sequence, start by crocheting 1 single crochet. Pull the stitch marker to the left. Leave enough space for the crochet hook to insert. Yarn over and pull the yarn through both loops of the V-shape. There are 2 loops on the crochet hook. Yarn over the crochet hook and pull the yarn through the 2 loops on the hook. 1 single crochet is completed. Remove the stitch marker and mark the first stitch. Then, make one increase stitch. First crochet one single crochet in the next stitch. Insert the hook under the left V shape to make one single crochet. Then, crochet another single crochet into the same stitch. The first sequence is completed. From the side, you can see 3 V shapes. Crochet one single crochet for the second sequence. Then, make an increase stitch. For the third sequence, first crochet one single crochet. Then make an increase stitch. Please count carefully, there should be a total of 9 stitches here. The second round is completed. The fabric is starting to curl. We need to make sure the front side is facing us. The side with the yarn tail is on the back of the fabric. In the third round, crochet 8 single crochet. The first one. Remove the stitch marker to mark the first stitch. The second one. The third one. The fourth. The fifth. The sixth. The seventh. The eighth. Then make an increase stitch. Please count carefully, there are 10 stitches in total. The third round is completed. Leave a 10-inch yarn tail. Cut the yarn. Pull the yarn tail out. Remove the stitch marker. Cut off the excess yarn tail. Tuck the yarn tail inside the fabric. The muzzle is now completed. Please crochet the other muzzle using the same method. Now, let's make the mouse's ears. You will need to make for in total 2 of each color. The gray mouse's ears start with pink yarn. Then change to gray yarn. The white mouse's ears start with white yarn. Then change to pink yarn. Next, let's get started. Take out the yarn in the matching color. First, make a magic ring. A magic ring is formed on the middle finger. Next, crochet a chain stitch to secure the magic ring. Now the magic ring is ready, and a chain stitch has been made. In the first round, crochet 6 single crochet into the magic ring. The first single crochet. Use the stitch marker to mark the first stitch. The second one. The third one. The fourth. The fifth. The sixth. All 6 single crochet stitches are completed. From the side, you can see 6 V-shapes. Pull the yarn tail to tighten the magic ring. Make sure there is no gap in the center. The first round is done. In the second round, crochet 6 single crochet increases. First, pull the stitch marker to the left, make 1 single crochet first. Use the stitch marker to mark the first stitch and crochet 1 more single crochet in the same stitch. The first single crochet increase is finished. From the side, you can see the V-shapes. A second increase. The third increase. The fourth increase. The fifth increase. The sixth increase. All 6 single crochet increases are completed. Please count carefully, there should be 12 stitches in total. The second round is completed. Next, reed fonts will appear. We need to change to the corresponding yarn color shown in reed. In the third round, first crochet a sequence of 1 single crochet followed by 1 single crochet increase. Repeat this sequence 3 times. Crochet 1 single crochet for the first sequence. Remove the stitch marker to mark the first stitch. Then make an increase stitch. The first sequence is completed. From the side, you can see 3 V shapes. Crochet 1 single crochet for the second sequence. Make 1 increase. The third sequence starts with 1 single crochet. Make 1 increase. Then crochet 1 single crochet. We prepare for a color change on this single crochet. First, crochet a half single crochet in the next stitch. Change to the corresponding color, hold the yarn on hand. Pinch the yarn tail together with the fabric. Gray yarn over the crochet hook and pull the yarn through the 2 loops on the hook. The single crochet is finished and the color change is done. Adjust the size of the stitch. Crochet 1 increase stitch and 1 single crochet as 1 sequence. Repeat this sequence twice. For the first sequence, crochet 1 increase stitch first. Place the gray yarn tail and the pink working yarn on the hook. Crochet 1 single crochet in the next stitch. A first sequence is completed. For the second sequence, crochet 1 increase stitch first. Then crochet 1 single crochet. The second sequence is completed. The last one is an increase stitch. There is no need to hide the yarn tail anymore. There are a total of 18 stitches in this round. The third round is completed. Remove the crochet hook. Take out the scissors. Cut these 2 yarn tails. Place the crochet hook back into the loop. In the fourth round, first crochet 1 single crochet followed by 1 increase as a sequence. Repeat the sequence 3 times. Crochet 1 single crochet for the first sequence. Remove the stitch marker to mark the first stitch. Then make an increase stitch. The first sequence is completed. From the side, you can see 3 V shapes. Crochet 1 single crochet for the second sequence. Make 1 increase. For the third sequence, crochet 1 single crochet first. One single crochet increase. Then crochet 1 single crochet. The next 11 stitches do not need to be crocheted. The fourth round is completed. Leave an 8-inch yarn tail for sewing and then cut the yarn. Pull the yarn tail out. Cut off the yarn tail with the magic ring. Remove the stitch marker. One ear is finished. Crochet the remaining ears yourself using the same method. Now let's make the mouse's tail. The tail is made by starting with a foundation chain. Let's get started. Take out the pink yarn. First, make a slip knot. Hold the yarn tail with your right hand and place the yarn in your left palm. Wrap the yarn once around your middle finger, index finger and ring finger. Pinch the crossing point of the yarn with your thumb. Take the loop off your fingers. Use your right thumb and index finger to pass from the right side of the loop to the left side. Pinch the working yarn with your right hand and hold the yarn tail with your left hand. Then pull the yarn. A slip knot is made. Pulling the longer yarn tail adjusts the size of the loop. Insert the crochet hook through the loop. Adjust the size of the loop. Leave some space between the slip knot and the crochet hook, so the loop can move freely on the hook. Pass the yarn between your pinky and ring finger. Then pass through your palm between middle finger and index finger, and hang the yarn over your index finger. Pinch the slip knot with your thumb and middle finger. The yarn tail is positioned below the crochet hook. Crochet 17 chain stitches first. The first one. Yarn over the hook and pull the yarn through the loop on the hook. This is how you make a chain stitch. From the side view, it looks like a V shape. The second one. The third one. You can move your fingers upwards while crocheting. Pinch the chain stitches with your left hand. This helps prevent the chain from twisting or deforming. The fourth. The fifth. The sixth. Crochet the remaining 11 chain stitches using the same method. All 17 chain stitches are completed. From this side you can see 17 V shapes. Next, we need to turn back and crochet 16 slip stitches. Rotate the chain. Start counting from the side closest to the crochet hook. 1, 2. We need to start crocheting the slip stitch from the second chain. The first slip stitch. Insert the crochet hook into the middle of this V shape. Pull it out from above. There are now 2 loops on the crochet hook. Yarn over the crochet hook and pull the yarn through the first loop on the hook. Now there are 2 loops on the crochet hook. Pull the left loop through the right loop on hook. The first slip stitch is completed. From the side view, it looks like a V shape. Use the stitch marker to mark the first slip stitch. For the second one, insert hook into the middle of the next V shape. Yarn over the crochet hook and pull the yarn through the first loop on the hook. Pull the left loop through the right loop on hook. The second slip stitch is completed. From the side, you can see the V shapes. The third one. The fourth. The fifth. A sixth one. Here, we crochet 6 slip stitches as a demonstration. Please crochet the remaining 10 slip stitches on your own using the same method. 16 slip stitches are completed. Leave 6 inches yarn tail for sewing. Cut the yarn. Pull the yarn tail out. Remove the stitch marker. The tail is now finished. Please crochet the other tail using the same method.